Gold and silver traded in a narrow range throughout the day. We have seen gold is struggling at 26, 24, 25, as we have discussed and mentioned in my first update that this is going to be a greater resistance. Precisely, we have seen gold is struggling at the same zone, while silver is also struggled to break beyond 3080. All these levels we have discussed earlier in the day. Now, what to expect with the US session for gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. To get the regular updates, join the free Telegram channel. Do like, share, and comment. Press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do subscribe as well. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Do not miss to join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's begin with gold. On the hourly charts has been struggling to break beyond the 20 period moving average, and if you look at after the drop here, it is consolidated, then the retracement. Resistance at 26, 24, 25 is pretty strong here, but I can also see higher lows. So if you look at the delta here, 2609, 2604, so it appears that possibly we may see a move towards 2630 here. It can try to break out, and only bullishness in gold is above 2640 levels, where you can say that it is trying to turn slightly, else it is still under retracement. If you look at the formation as well, after this drop we have seen it retracing and then consolidating before the second drop has appeared. Now it is trying, or it may try to retrace a little. Where are the highs for this? Towards 2650 levels, and breaking beyond which you should treat this as reversal. As long as it stays below 2650, we should be treating this as a retracement after a bigger decline. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD, after hitting the lows here, it has crossed over. It is trading with divergence looking upwards. It can continue to do so for a while before reversing again. Yes, if you look at the formation, these were the lows from which we have seen it reversing. Again, it has come down to the same level. So possibility of a reversal or a rise from these levels exists strong. RSI rising, coming to 2. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, similar observation here: higher lows, higher highs. Possibility of a move towards 2630 levels exists, which is should be a greater resistance here. And then 2635 and then 2640 levels will appear. Now 2640 should be a greater resistance for the day, beyond which you can say little bullishness will prevail, and then ultimately 2650 levels will come. And if it breaks this, then you can treat this as reversal, else it is under retracement. Stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can lead to favor greener candles from here, which means a little rise in gold prices. RSI flat. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour chart, see one bullish candle, four retracement candle, then again a bullish candle has appeared. Possibly the current candle might be bigger in shape. If it gives you a breakout beyond 26, 24, 25, we can see a move towards 26, 30, 35, or in fact 26, 40 levels as well. Be watchful of this. The stochastic rising, MACD is willing to converge crossover for the buys, while RSI almost staying flat, not signifying or not indicating much here on the RSI. Coming to 4-hour. Likewise, on the 4-hour charts, one must notice that see, there is a greater resistance available at 26, 24, 25. We have to be careful till then, only above which I will recommend you to buy, and then we can look forward to 26, 30, and in fact 26, 34, 35, or in fact 26, 40 levels are achievable today itself if it stays above 26, 24, 25. We If you look at the stochastic on the 4-hour charts, after a dip here, it is consolidated now, looking forward to an up move. It requires couple of more greener candles for it to keep rising towards the overbought zone. While the MACD, if you look at, see, MACD has seen a good decline from the coming from the top here. We have seen a drop, then consolidation, then second round of drop. Possibility of consolidation or retracement exists. Yes, it can dip further. However, I see that there has to be a little retracement or consolidation before it takes the next round of dip. RSI comfortable near to the bottom, coming to the day. And before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, higher lows are done, and if you connect or make it a day of consolidation, you will find lower highs. Lower highs means a move towards 2650. Possibility is there. These are markets, anything and everything is possible, but first bigger hurdle is at 2625, the 20 period moving average, and then 2635, the median of the Bollinger Bands, beyond which we can say that now gold is trying to retrace. And also, if you look at, see, a couple of bearish candles, then a pullback candle, then fewer more bearish candles. So it could try to, it may try to retrace or show a little pullback before it takes a the real direction on the downside. Yes, the trend is still very much bearish. Do not treat gold as bullish as of now. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD, look at the MACD after the crossover. It is trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. And yes, it has lot much of room available on the downside for it to continue with the bearish bias. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 26.25. But then 26, 29, 30, first target zone 26, 34, 35 second, and then we may see a move towards 26.40, 26.44.5, and 26.51. If these levels are taken, close your eyes, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a round of rise towards, say, not to mention, in fact, 26.54 levels, 55 levels, which have already been a greater hurdle, are again going to remain a greater hurdle on the upside, breaking beyond which just close your eyes, stay bullish. It can reach towards the record highs. But this is just the one side of the picture. The next side of the picture is where to sell, and I will only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying 26, 14, 15 levels, below which you can expect it to keep dropping towards 26.10.08 first target zone, 26.0204 the second, and if it breaches 26.0204, we can look forward to a move towards 25.90, 25.80 levels, though the chances of it to deliver a greener candle like this is strong. However, you should not deny the other side of the picture, which is on the sell side. Just stick to the levels and take your trades. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver on the hourly. See what is happening here. Rise here, and it is trying to stay in a box. Let it give a breakout. Any move beyond 30.80 should be a good sign that we are looking forward to a move towards 31.05, 31.20 zone, or 31.05, 31.25 levels, which is going to be the first resistance zone. Moving averages here are trading with divergence on the hourly charts. It is trying to converge, and see the prices are trading with divergence from moving average. It has come towards this, and now it is trying to break. Now, if it stays above this, we can look forward to a move towards 31.05, and in fact 31.2025 levels are also possible. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising signs are a little supportive for further more rise here. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see a rise, retracement, and again a rise. Wait for it to stay above 30.80, 31.05 zone, and then 31.25 will appear, beyond which little bullishness may prevail, and then you can look forward to a move towards 31.50. Any move beyond 31.50 is a sign that it is trying to reverse, else it is still trading in a bearish zone. It has, see, the moving averages have crossed over here, and these are trading with divergence. This is a good bearish sign. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, just couple of candles away. After the crossover, it suggests that it can continue to rise a little more from the current levels. Also, if you look at the move here, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, it could retrace here with the third wave here. Be watchful. RSI is also coming out of the oversold zone and trying to recover a little. Coming to the 3 hour chart. Now on the 3 hour charts, likewise, see one bullish candle, three retracement candle, first breakout. It appears that the current candle might be of further bigger body size, but it has to stay above 30.40 levels. If it breaches 30.40, then you can say now silver is turning bearish, and then again we can look forward to move towards 30.20 and in fact $30 levels. Though it appears after a bigger drop yesterday, we can see a move towards 31, 31.20, 25 zone, which should be a great. Below 30.50 is where the reversal confirmation or the bearish confirmation is, while on the upside beyond 31.50 is where the bullish confirmation is. As long as it stays within the zone, we have to be careful. Stochastic rising, MACD has traded enough bearish. It can try to converge crossover and try to trade bullish, and I expect a little retracement and rise. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to the 4 hour charts, also on the 4 hour charts, rise, retracement, and again trying to break out. Just let it stay above 30.80, and then beyond which you can see a further bullish move taking the prices towards 31, 31.25, or in fact higher levels towards 31.50 levels. Any move beyond 31.50 definitely is a sign of a breakout and bullishness here. Stochastic rising, MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge. RSI is coming out of the oversold zone, trying to rise a bit. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see higher lows are done. It has taken the support from the 50 period, trying to bounce back. Though the moving averages have started to converge, but if you connect the dots here, if you connect the move here, you can see silver is trying to stay in this box, and possibly it may try to confine its movement within the zone. Now, yes, if it can fall sharp, it can recover sharp as well. Lower highs also, if you count, we can see a move towards 31.25, 31.50 levels. Possibility is there, and there is a very strong possibility for this to happen. Stochastic has dropped here, but see the MACD, this is on the other hand has crossed over, and this is trading with extreme divergence, which is not a good sign for the bulls. So you have to be cautious as this crossover is coming after the second round of rise. It appears it can deliver a third, or you can see a bearish wave before it tries to reverse. RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, when you see the silver trading above 3080, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect it to keep moving towards 31.05 as the first target, 31.2025 as the next, and then 31.40.50 levels will appear, which is going to remain the greatest resistance here. On the upside, any move beyond 31.40.50 is a good indication that we are looking forward to a reversal towards 31.80, $32. While again, as I said, this is only one side of the story. You should not overlook the sell side of it. If you see silver now trading below 30.50, 30.40, rather I will say 30.40 should be safer entry. When you see the higher prices below 30.40, you can take a selling entry. Expect 30.20, $30 levels as the next target. Beyond 30 is where we are looking forward to 29.75 and 29.50 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session that sets the direction for the day and gives you a fair bit of idea on how to profit trading gold and silver every day. Subscribe, press the bell icon. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.